As you can see, my friends, this is what rain does. Just lost connection now. It's 22. It's 32 past 22 or 2200. 32 minutes. However you want to call it. 32 minutes past 2200. And you can see I'm connected with my Huawei. I also have a Huawei Y7 2019 with no connection. You can see it just below here. But look, this is what the rain is doing. I'm supposed to be paying 475. That is my bill for this month. And with this, now I'm going to switch on to my Huawei. Connect. Right, let's see. Let's see. Let's just allow it to connect. It's not far away from me. It's about 9 to 10 meters away. My wife is using it. There it is, with almost no connection. It's connected. Let's see. Let's have a look. Look. Wow. Look at this. It's a Vodacom. It's Vodacom subscription. It's on contract. This is what I'm getting. Almost 6, up to 8. Wow, this is awesome. 8 megabytes per second. Whilst rain is promising me up to 10 megabytes per second, but I did not even get a 2. So average here, we can say it's around 6 megabytes per second. And I'm going to quickly switch to rain. Connect rain. Let's see. I will show you. It's my rain starter pack. I will open my router. Let's see. This is rain. It's going down. And it will soon disappear. Look at the network there. It's full. Let's see, it has disappeared. This is my rain. I'm going to open it up for you. Let's get lighter. This is my rain. I'm going to open it up for you. You can see it's on. I'm gonna show you that it's a rain SIM card. You can see it. I'm going to remove it. Rain. I'm going to switch back to my Vodacom. I'm not here promoting any network. I'm just pointing out facts. I'm neither happy with Vodacom. The prices are exorbitant. There it is. But I mean, you get what you pay for. Look. Have a look. And rain, you don't get what you pay for. You don't get what they promise you. You don't get what they are selling. So unless they fix this, I'm gone. I just wish I get something that is more reasonable, and that is also, you know, look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Say, okay, right. As you saw for yourself, leave you saw for yourself. Let me put the light off. Tell me, what do you think? Please tell me what you think on the comments. I'm going to leave it for you. Tell me what you think about this rain. It looks like it's a flood. Oh, sorry, a storm. It's not rain. It's a storm. It's a storm. It's not rain. It's a storm.
Guys,
The product is installed. So let me disconnect. I can show you my coverage. I'm within the coverage in this area. It shows blue where I am. I have 2 spots. The furthest aerial is 2.1 meters or kilometers. The other one is 1.7. Last night I was on the one for 2.1 kilometers. I just did not check today which one I'm connected on. I still had the same results last night. So rain, fix your mess, otherwise you'll be getting my last bill. I'm canceling this contract, or this, it's not a contract, this service, and then if there will be any improvements, I will stay. But if no improvements, I'm gone. Thank you. Bye. Thank you guys. Just subscribe on my channel, and thank you for watching my video.